everybody, how you going? Happy New Year. It's Alan here. Back in Brisbane. You might have seen the previous post of the reno. I'm back in Wakeley. Just a quick update, just to see how the boys are going. So at the moment, as you probably know, we've had a lot of rain down here, so you can see there's a stack of water lying around. We're getting storms nearly every night, so it's slowing things down a bit, which is expected this time of year. So it's important to have, there's Damon. Hello Damon, that's my youngest. He's come out for a look. School holiday's nearly over. It's slow them down a bit, but we allowed for a little bit of wet weather, and but it's nearly coming to an end. So you can see there's a driveway down. Still got to pour this section and the one at the back, but it's mostly all in. All the hard stuff's in. They've got an entry statement at the front to do. They've formed that up, and that's a nice, pretty sign that when you come into an estate. This is called Silverwood. That's what we named it, and this is the little section here that I'll put some block work up. There's some nice timber features above it, and then we'll put the sign Silverwood as you drive in from the front road there. So now that they've done the water connections, that took a while, because every time they dig, every time they come here to do something, it'd fill up with water, so you got to keep pumping it out. You see they've got a submersible in there, so we've got actually water connected now, and so and then the other thing is, when they do connections, you got to get the surveyor out to make sure that to get some measurements, because once we've finished all this, we've got to go to council and show them that we've done what are on the design. So part of that is giving them some drawings, what's called as constructed drawings, and so the surveyor has to do that for us. See the big stormwater pit there that they put in last year, and you see the mess, the mud. It's always difficult to work in conditions like this. But anyway, in these little rebate sections here, they're going to go some nice cobblestone pavement, so we're going to get that nice luxury feel about it. And after this, these guys are finished, because they'll probably pour, and then they'll come out and slowly flatten everything else nice and flat, and then they work their way out, and then landscaping guys will come in. So then here all along this edge of this driveway is all going to go plants. We're going to clean up that big corridor at the back there, because it's all overgrown and everything. Will come in and clean it all up, put some wood chip and whatever, new fence down the side, and a fence at the front here, so it'll all look really nice. And there's the water meter, so they've got to hook up a water meter, this thing here. After the valve, they've got a metering devices here for the site. They're going to do that today apparently. So everything's in, all the services are just about in, and it's just a little bit of rain holding us up, but they're going. I mean, there's looks like it's going to be some fine weather coming up, maybe a couple of showers here and there, but all looking good. Hope that helps, and we'll talk to you soon.